Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a concern that many of us face, which is oily scalps and dry ends. And we are going to be doing it with a product that is unique. We're going to be using the oily scalp balancing toner. Yes, it's a toner and it is for the hair. All right, so we're going to be talking about how we can use this, incorporate this into our routine, and what are the benefits. So, one of the main benefits, is it restores pH balance, it helps to seal in moisture into the skin, into the hair, scalp. It helps to add luster and shine to the skin, and I'm going to show you a few methods on how we can use this. So the first way I would like to use this, it has a pump, is after bath, when your hair is still wet, make partings onto the hair and spray it on. You can spray it and leave it onto your hair and then dry it later. Or the second method, which is my favorite because I need it especially now, is massaging. Add this onto the scalp and then massage. Make sure your strokes are nice and circular. Add pressure according to what you can handle. And what this does is it actually helps to unclog the hair pores, any oil or dirt that might be clogged. It also helps to build your circulation. When your circulation increases, what happens is it also helps to rejuvenate the cells. It helps to rejuvenate and grow. All right, so a good massage never hurts anyone. This can be done for a good 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so this is one method. And the last method I would like to talk about is after you finish washing your hair, before you end your shower, take a glass of water, add 4 to 5 pumps, and then wash your hair with it. It really does wonders. Now, moving on to the last part, how you would take care of your dry ends like you would do regularly. Make sure that you moisturize it well with conditioner. Don't use hot water. Use lukewarm to cold water, because what happens is your cuticles tend to open up, which can cause frizz as well. All right, and make sure to end with a good hair serum. Aroma Magic hair serum is fantastic.